In his submissions for Freddie White, Nigel Jones QC of Hardwick Chambers in London said there was no justification for transferring £54 million out of enterprise insurance to its sister company EIG Services Limited. These transfers, Mr Jones explained, were ostensibly the result of a marketing service agreement between the two companies, but this, he alleged, was a false premise. Nigel Jones said what the MSA did was allow the wholesale stripping off of company assets from enterprise insurance to its unregulated sister company. From there, some of the money was paid to consultants, while dividends were paid to shareholders via a third company, Enterprise Holdings. The nub of the matter, according to the liquidator's lawyer, is the triangular business model used by Enterprise Insurance. The defence will argue that this is an FSC-approved structure and one widely used in Gibraltar. But Nigel Jones QC said that it's what happened beneath the structure that forms the basis of the liquidator's claims of dishonesty. Puny Judge John Restano QC put it to Mr Jones that the FSC was fully aware of and understood the terms of the marketing service agreement, namely the payments which consisted of 8% of gross written premium. However, Nigel Jones replied by saying what the FSC knew about in relation to Enterprise is open to debate and not for this hearing. The real issue, he said, was whether Mr White's claim has a reasonable prospect of success. The defendants, however, will argue that it does not, especially given that the directors will claim the company acted in accordance to market practices in Gibraltar. Additionally, the defendants are also seeking further and full disclosure of all files from Freddie White. The liquidator is himself also the subject of a defamation lawsuit by ex-Enterprise director Andrew Flowers, whose own claim was filed at the Supreme Court at the start of the year. This is the latest chapter in the ongoing fallout following the collapse of Enterprise Insurance in 2016 and the liquidator's report, which estimated the company was insolvent to the tune of £96 million. Since then, the former non-executive chairman Nick Cruz and Andrew Flowers have each filed separate lawsuits against the FSC, its former CEO Samantha Barras and legal director Peter Taylor. The liquidation of Enterprise Insurance has been highly complex and involves over 750,000 policyholders in 5 countries. Charles Simpson of Triai & Triai and Nigel Jones QC are representing Freddie White, while Sir Peter Caruana QC is representing 3 of the defendants, including Nick Cruz. Charles Gomez of Charles Gomez & Co. and Guy Stagneto QC of TSN are counsel for the remaining defendants.